Jai Gurudev students, into the previous class we already learned about the file folders and how we can create the file folder, how we can change the view of file folder. And this question is very important for you, how we can change the view of file folder. So we already learned we can change our file folder in icon view and list view. This is the option. And next we learned sorting file folder, how we can sort the file folders. So we can only sort our file and folder in icon view. So we already learned by name, we can sort our file by name, by size, by type, by modifications date. We already understood. Now today we learned about changing system setting and what is its purpose. So how we can change the system setting. System setting is an application using which we can make change in the appearance and current setting of the computer system. So I think you all understood that this is used to make the change in the appearance and current setting. Clear? So you can change the appearance of system. So it is include appearance and personalization of the desktop, hardware and network configuration, system security setting, time and date. So we can change the appearance, we can also configure the hardware and network configuration, and we can also change the time and date, etc. So this is comes under the system setting. So you note down what is the system setting. The question should be like, what is the system setting? So you will write, system setting is an application using which we can make change in the appearance and current setting of the computer system. Clear? And this question is very important, and also it include, you also note down this, it also include appearance and personalization of the desktop, hardware and network configuration, system security setting, time and date, etc. So this is comes under the system setting. Now we going to understood about the next thing. So this is related to change time and date. Clear? This step you also note down. This is also important question. Changing time and date and what is its purpose. So whenever our system showing wrong time or date, so simply we can change it. So how you can change into the Ubuntu operating system? So you note down the steps. So click on the session indicator icon. This is the session indicator icon. At the top right corner of the indicator area, Clear? This you can see there, system setting. So when you click on this session indicator icon, so you will get the system setting option. Select the system setting option to open the system setting. Then click on the time date icon. So when you click on the system setting icon, you will get the time date icon. Clear? And the time date dialog box appear as showing in the figure. Clear? So this is the time date options. There you will click on. When you select this time and date options, you will get this dialog box. This is the time date dialog box. There you can set the time and date. This is the time and this is the date. Clear? And this is the location. Key your locations is our time measure from the Kolkata. So always location should be set Kolkata. Clear? And also you can change the time and date. So this is the dialog box. So simple steps you will note down. Only what you will note. The question is how you can change time and date. You will write the question how you can change time and date. So simple, the first step, click on the session indicator. This is your first step. First step you will write, click on the session indicator. Second step, select the system setting option. Third step, click on the time date icon. And then last step you will write in a text box, you will type the time and date. At the last point is set the time and date as desired and click on the close button. So only you will note down these steps. Nothing you will note the other things which I told you. Only note these things into the question, time and date setting. Clear? So this question you will note down. Okay, now we will understood configuring the mouse. Okay, how we can configure the mouse. Students, only this you understood, not you will note down. Clear? Only understood is what is the configuring the mouse. So you only understood. Clear? Okay. You can customize the mouse setting in various ways, such as changing the function of your mouse button or altering the scroll speed of the mouse pointer. To change the setting of your mouse, click on the session indicator. The system setting application window open. Select the mouse and touch icon under the hardware category. So mouse and touch dialog box appear. It is look like this. Under the general selections, right click or left click radio button as the primary button. By default, to change the double click speed of your mouse, drag the slider toward left to make it slow and towards right to make it fast. Means when you click on there and drag to left side, so it will slow down. If you drag to right side, so it will fast. Similarly, you can change the speed of pointer, and this is also you can change the speed of pointer. So only understood, only read out it, not you note